This is going to be my cart tour. I'm a diesel mechanic. I work on garbage trucks, everything from light duty pickup trucks all the way to the heavy duty rear loaders, side loaders, front loaders, Max, Peterbilts, auto cars, all that stuff. But starting from the top here, this is going to be my Pry Bars, Phillips. I got a couple I got anti-seize, some brake lube, some silicone paste. I got some Loctite back there. I got some razor blades to scrape off old gaskets. Got a couple Allen keys, Torx keys in there. These are my go-to, bigger size sockets and various sockets that I use on a daily basis. Got some black tape, Teflon tape, just some miscellaneous stuff up here, some wires. Got some hex keys, Torx, Allens. These are my standard 1/4 inch. Let's see, go to 1/4 from 3/16, I believe, all the way to 9/16. Yeah, 9/16 on that. These are just regular expert sockets from the Mack truck. Got my shorts there. Just some various stuff in there too. Some extra Torx, because when I lose it, I find it the next day. These are Eastwood 1/2 inch metric impact sockets. I got these on a Snap-on truck for, I think it was like $15 used. I use these pretty much every day. They're pretty good for the price. I couldn't pass it. But these are gear wrench 3/8 swivels. I believe it goes to 8 to 24. 8 to 24, or no, 8 to 22 actually, sorry. And I got these are Mack mid 3/8 impact metric. I use these a lot too. I like the mid lengths. These go to 8 through 24. These are pretty much my go-tos. They're Miscellaneous Ratchets, 1/4 inch Mack, Snap-on 3/8, a couple extensions. These are my flathead screwdrivers. These are my expert 3/8 deep, goes to 8 through 19. These are my 1/4 inch expert metric, shallow metric. These are my Snap-on mid 1/4 metric. And then I got some 1/4 inch swivels. These are Blue Power. Blue Power is pretty good. I like them. I haven't broken one yet. Got a Milwaukee 3/8 or 1/2 inch impact. This thing's a monster. I like using this one for the wheels with the long extra snout on it. This is my Milwaukee impact driver. I use this on a daily basis, non-stop. On the back here, kind of got a little collection of magnetic trays. I like keeping my nuts and bolts organized, and keeping everything organized so I know where it's at. And these are Cornwell. I mean, they got a pretty good magnet on the inside, but I mean, they really don't. I mean, they stick, but nothing like this. I mean, this one sticks pretty good. But I liked it. I don't know. I got on a promo. But I'm gonna start from the first drawer. This is my wrench drawer. These are Cornwell, extra long. They got two sizes on one, 17 and 19. So it goes from 8 through 19, but it skips an 11. But problem I had with one of the 10s, 10 mil, was I was doing a PTO on one of the trucks, and the bolt was so tight it just bent that there. I did it twice actually, but I haven't really used them much, but I like it because the length. They're all right for the. I mean, they're okay. These are my snap-on, just standard, regular, just standard wrenches. I believe they are the Flank Drive Plus. Yeah, Flank Drive Plus. These are my snap-on metrics. Snap-on ratcheting wrench. These are just various miscellaneous wrenches I keep in here for different jobs. Go to the next drawer. Hammers, pliers, cutters, strippers, crimpers is pretty much all in this drawer. I got a couple adjustable wrenches. I just need to organize this drawer a little bit better. I need to get everything in my main box that I don't use here every day. Impact drawer, Milwaukee 3/8, Milwaukee die grinder. This thing's works good. I use this every time I need to clean something off. Milwaukee cutter. If you want to do bigger stuff, I wouldn't buy this, but if you're doing like brake lines and stuff like that, it's good for that stuff. Another Milwaukee impact driver, 3/8 stubby Milwaukee. This is my go-to impact wrench. This thing's a monster. Torch, air hammer, snap-on quarter, 3/8 ratcheting. This snap-on quarter-inch, this thing is a powerhouse. I think it's actually got more power than the 3/8. The 3/8 is a good ratchet also, but my go-to is my quarter-inch. That's my go-to there. Moving down to the next drawer. I got wire splice kit, some gloves, coolant pressure tester. I use this one actually for 6.0 power strokes to see if it's got blown head gasket or EGR cooler that's blown in it. Got a couple miscellaneous caps, plugs, push button starter, siphon, back probe kit, a couple T-pins, bolt extractors, fuel line disconnect, these little cookies here. I believe these are about 1 inch. I use these, I don't use the coarse ones, I use the softer ones for Mac MP7 injector cups to clean off all that goop in the bottom. I use these in a small little wire wheel. That works pretty good in there. Snap-on battery, system tester. Quick change, automatic and engine oil. pressure tester. Moving down to the next drawer. Combustion leak detector. Cylinder leakage tester. Voicom 2. That's for Mack trucks. Pick set, heavy pick set. DVOM. These are flex probe, back probe kits, or pin testers. Just a little miscellaneous stuff in there. Dial indicator magnet, strap for the pull cylinders. Compression tester. Power probe. That's a 3-way exhaust back pressure tester. Just some miscellaneous stuff in here too. Proximity switch, clamps. You just need to clean it out a little bit better. But yeah, that's pretty much it. My Cornwell sliding top cart. I'm gonna be doing the main box soon. So this is just the start here. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.